Building bundles and selling them on Amazon is one of my favorite models of selling. Basically because if you're bundling things together, that's less fees that you're going to be paying to Amazon, which means more money in your pocket. Also, because you're creating the listing, that means there's less competition on these products. True, other Amazon sellers could jump onto these listings that you're making of bundles, but if you're putting together bundles across different distributors, it's going to be a lot harder for sellers to be able to duplicate that exact bundle. So today, I want to show you how you can come up with some really great bundling ideas very easily, and then how you can go ahead and create your own listing without having to purchase a barcode at all. Let's go.
Hi, I'm Cassandra Barney with ProfitGuru. I'm a teacher, mother of 3, and Amazon FBA seller. Here at ProfitGuru, we're dedicated to trying strategies out and continually improving our own software to help other Amazon sellers just like you.
When you're trying to think about forming bundles, what's super important is that you want to make sure that the items are complementing each other. You wouldn't want to put items together in a bundle that didn't make sense. The whole purpose of it is that you're adding value to the customer to make them want to get that bundle rather than have to purchase several different items separately. So the easiest example to give you would be if you were selling a guitar, then to put some guitar picks with it. Because if someone's buying a guitar, chances are they probably need guitar picks anyways. So rather than them having to buy a guitar and then buy guitar picks, if you put those things together, they complement each other, they make sense, and they add value for the customer. So to try and find some ideas for what you should be putting together for a bundle, head over to Amazon and start searching for some items. So maybe I want to put a gardening bundle together. So I'm going to start by searching Amazon for some garden gloves. Now I'll choose one of the gloves that pop up. The specific glove that I'm choosing isn't what's important. I probably won't be able to find this specific glove to source, but that's not the purpose of my investigation right now. Right now, I'm trying to figure out items that I could ultimately put together to form the bundle. So what I'm going to do is scroll down on the page. And right here is what I'm looking for. The frequently bought together area that is on the listings shows you perfectly what buyers are already buying after they purchase these gloves. So after getting these gloves, they also go on to get these gardening tools as well as this kneeling stool. So for a buyer, if they could just get all 3 of these things together in one click, rather than having to find the gloves, then find the shears, then find the stool, it's going to save them a lot of time, which is going to make them want to buy your listing rather than go and buy each product separate. You can do this strategy within any category to find items that you should be bundling together. Let's go to toys next. So if I found this little Tykes that I was able to sell, I'll then see if there's items that customers are frequently buying with it so that I can bundle them together as one. So I can see that people who are buying it are also buying it with this basketball kit and this little golf kit. So if I were able to find 3 products just like this, it doesn't even have to be these exact ones, but the same concept, and I put them together as one little sports toys bundle, customers who are looking for sports toys for their kids are more likely to get my bundle than purchase the things separately. Now, after you've come up with some really good ideas to bundle together, you've sourced the products, what you want to do is make sure that you're sourcing them from different distributors. So if you went to Walmart and got all 3 of these items, that is really easy for another seller to replicate. So what you're going to want to do is go across several different distributors so that it's harder for another seller to replicate your bundle and then jump on your listing. Now that you have all of your products, of course, you're going to need to create the listing. Now, typically when you create a listing, you need to purchase a barcode to go along with the new item that you're listing. But in this case, when you're putting bundles together, you can do what's called a GTIN exemption. This means that you do not need to apply for a barcode at all. So you'll come right here into your Seller Central, and you will go to apply for a GTIN exemption. Choose the select button, then you'll choose the category that you want to get the exemption in. Now right here, where you typically need to list a brand, because this is a bundle, you're just going to put in the word generic. Next, hit the check for eligibility button. And it's that simple. It says, I have been approved to list products in the below brand and category. I can start listing within 30 minutes. So that is all you have to do in order to put a bundle together without having a barcode. Then you can come here to add a product and create your listing. Some things to keep in mind, since you are creating a brand new listing, you're going to want to make sure that you have, number one, really good high quality pictures for the listing. And number two, really good description as well as bullet points to go along with it. So while you're waiting right here at this point for the 30 minutes to be up so that you can start the listing, that's when you should just open up a Google document and start forming what you want to put as the description as well as the bullet points. Bullet points sell people. So you're going to want to make sure that these are specific and that you are offering the benefits of the product, not just the features. So what benefits are the buyers going to get from purchasing this item? You're also going to want to do things like some keyword research to make sure that you're using the keywords in your title as well as the description, the bullet points, all over the place. You're going to want to keep reusing these same keywords so that when a buyer searches for items that are in your bundle, it comes up as a suggested item when they do the search. And that's how easy it is to find products that are complementing each other to go together in order for you to create a unique bundle and then increase your profits. You're not going to have as much competition on these. Hopefully, you'll have no competition at all. But there are smart sellers who might be able to replicate what you put in there. That's why some people like to do a branded item with their bundles. For example, if I have my own brand and my own branded logo, I could put that branded logo somewhere in the bundle so that then nobody else could even jump onto the listing because they're not going to be able to replicate that branded item that I put into the bundle. But keep in mind, you're not going to want to put something random in there. So if you have a keychain with your branded logo on it, you probably wouldn't want to put that into your little toy bundle because it doesn't make sense. So try and include something in there that other sellers are not going to be able to replicate, but make it make sense. I hope this was helpful for you. And as always, make sure that you subscribe to Profit Guru because we are putting out videos every week to help you to sell on Amazon and finding you other ways that you could be supplementing your income and making money easily online. I'll see you next time.